Hi guys, here's how to add a currency pair or an asset to your Tradingview watch list. So the first step is to come right here to the top right corner where it says watch list and objects and details. So once you click right here, you have an empty watch list. So just delete that. You have an empty watch list. So right here, click on add symbol. And then once you do that, you can then search for any specific symbol that you'd like to add to your watch list. So let's say euro US dollar. So once you search for that, then you can click the plus sign right here to add euro USD to your watch list. So these are just different brokers. You can choose anyone you like. I love Oanda. I also love FXCM, so I'll just go with that. So right here, we've added euro USD to our watch list, as you can see right here by the top right. You can also remove this by clicking on this sign, but if you don't want to remove that, then you can add another symbol. So let's say Bitcoin, which is BTC USD. You can also just type Bitcoin in full. Okay, so Bitcoin. And then right here, you can see we have futures, we have all of that. Uh, okay, so I'll just choose this one right here because it's Binance. Okay, so just click on plus, and then you have Euro USD in your watch list. So it makes it very easy to find Euro USD and Bitcoin. Since you've added them to your watch list, you can always access them by clicking here and then clicking on them. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.